Imagine standing at the edge of an infinite ocean, where each wave carries the whispers of your dreams and desires. What if I told you that this vast universe is not just a backdrop to your life, but a powerful entity that responds to your thoughts, feelings, and vibrations? The universe is always listening, but the question remains, are you truly aware of how to speak to it? In the next few minutes, we will unlock the secrets of effective communication with the universe, guiding you toward a life filled with purpose, joy, and abundance. Stay with me as we delve deep into the mechanics of manifestation and the art of co-creating your reality. At its core, the universe is a reflection of consciousness. Every moment, every experience you encounter serves as a kind of audition for your attention. Just as planets orbit around the sun, your thoughts, emotions, and perceptions revolve around the energy you invest in them. When you focus your energy on certain aspects of your life, you amplify their presence. Conversely, when you ignore or dismiss them, they fade away from your reality. This dynamic reveals a profound truth. You possess the incredible power to shape your experiences by simply directing your attention. Yet many of us navigate life unconsciously, allowing external circumstances to dictate our emotional state. The key to mastering your reality lies in the choices you make regarding where you place your focus. If something happens in your life that doesn't resonate with your desires, remember that you have the power to refuse it your attention. By doing so, you weaken its grip on your vibrational frequency. In the realm of the law of attraction, thoughts are often described as the creators of our reality. However, it's crucial to understand that thoughts, in isolation, are like empty vessels. They merely seek your attention. You hold the reins. Your energy determines what gains prominence in your life. When you affirm positive thoughts, you are essentially sending a message to the universe. Yes, please give me more of this. On the other hand, negative thoughts can be dismissed. Thus, the first step in speaking to the universe is to cultivate awareness of your attention. When you wake up each day, the universe asks you, "What do you want?" To effectively communicate your desires, you need to understand the language of energy. The universe doesn't interpret words or languages. It perceives vibrations. Each emotion, thought, and sensation you project creates a resonance that the universe interprets. Think of yourself as a conductor of an orchestra, skillfully directing the music of your life. By choosing which thoughts and emotions to amplify, you dictate the composition of your reality. When you focus intently on a specific aspect of your life, be it love, success, or joy, you are casting a vote for its amplification. Conversely, by withholding attention from certain thoughts or situations, you signal to the universe that you do not wish to experience them. This realization emphasizes the power you hold in co-creating your life. Your attention is the conduit through which you communicate your preferences to the universe. Imagine each thought as a seed planted in the fertile soil of the universe. The more you nurture these seeds with your attention, the more they will flourish. Now consider this. Just as you can plant seeds for personal growth and self-realization, you can also align your energy with abundance. There are powerful, little-known methods for attracting wealth that may seem almost effortless once you understand them. If you're curious to learn how millions are already benefiting from these transformative secrets, check the link in the comments below. A rogue NASA scientist has shared insights that could unlock an entirely new financial reality for you. Now let's get back into the exploration. As we explore this concept further, let's discuss the importance of speaking in the present tense. The universe operates in the realm of now. It only recognizes the present moment as the true reality. When you say things like, "I will be successful," the universe interprets it as, "I don't want success right now." Instead, it is vital to embody the feeling of already having what you desire. Every conceivable reality exists in the tapestry of existence, including the one you wish to manifest. By immersing yourself in the present and feeling as if you have already achieved your goals, you synchronize your vibrational frequency with the universe's creative forces. This practice shifts your communication from mere verbal expression to a profound emotional experience. Remember, it's not just about articulating what you want. It's about embodying those desires as if they are already yours. Next, let's talk about the importance of expanding your consciousness. Imagine playing a complex game of poker, surrounded by seasoned players. Novices often find themselves outmaneuvered by those who understand the subtleties of the game. Similarly, as you broaden your awareness of the universe and its intricacies, you enhance your ability to navigate life's challenges. Expanding your consciousness is about becoming aware of the myriad factors influencing your reality. This awareness includes understanding your thoughts, emotions, and the universe around you. The more you learn about the unspoken rules of this game, the better equipped you become to make choices that align with your desired outcomes. By embracing this heightened awareness, you shift from being a passive participant to an active creator of your reality. This transformation allows you to engage with life more consciously, making decisions that resonate with your true self. As you continue on this journey, it's essential to listen to your inner guidance system. Think of it as your compass navigating the vast ocean of energy. The universe doesn't communicate through human languages. It speaks in the language of energy. Words and thoughts can often mislead us, but our feelings and intuition provide clearer guidance. When something feels good, it resonates with your true path. When it feels bad, it indicates a divergence from your authentic self. Trust this guidance system. Follow what feels uplifting, and let go of what induces negativity. The ego may try to convince you that certain desires will lead to happiness, but it's crucial to discern between ego-driven wants and genuine resonance. By consistently tuning into what feels good, you align yourself with your true path, eliminating the need for overthinking. Trust your instincts. They are powerful indicators of your alignment with the universe. Now let's delve into the power of repetition in understanding the universe's workings. Your subconscious mind operates similarly to the universe, absorbing information without filtering or rejecting it. It lacks the ability to distinguish between reality and imagination, often reacting to your thoughts and emotions as if they were current events. This means that your past experiences, if continually dwelled upon, can attract similar situations into your life. To manifest the reality you desire, you must remain grounded in the present and actively work to shift your subconscious beliefs. Using the power of repetition, you can reprogram your subconscious mind. For example, if you wish to transition from insecurity to confidence, repeatedly affirming, "I am confident," becomes your mantra. The key is not merely reciting these words, but truly feeling the confidence you wish to embody. Your present state is less important than the focus on what you aspire to become. As you reinforce positive affirmations through repetition, you initiate a shift in your energy. Your subconscious begins to recognize this new vibrational frequency and manifests it in your experiences. As you genuinely feel more confident, your actions, behaviors, and interactions will naturally reflect this newfound confidence. This process of reprogramming is powerful, as it helps you eliminate limiting beliefs and cultivate a mindset that aligns with your true desires. Remember, the universe is always responding to your vibrations. By consciously choosing to focus on positive thoughts and feelings, you create a ripple effect that transforms your reality. In conclusion, it's crucial to remember that you are not merely a passive observer in this universe. You are the universe itself. Speaking to the universe is akin to speaking to your higher self. You hold the reins of your existence, and your internal state directly influences the experiences that unfold around you. Take charge of your consciousness and align yourself with positivity. The universe mirrors your inner state, responding to your vibrational frequencies. By purifying your thoughts and emotions, you communicate effectively with the universe, shaping your reality as you desire. Your life is your canvas, and you are the artist. Every stroke of your brush, every thought you nurture, contributes to the masterpiece that is your existence. So, what will you create today? The universe is waiting for your answer. If you found value in this exploration of how to speak to the universe, Please consider subscribing and sharing this video with others who may benefit from this knowledge. Together, let's embark on a journey of co-creation and abundance. Remember, the universe is always listening, and your words and thoughts are the keys to unlocking its infinite possibilities. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, keep your vibrations high and your intentions clear.